Georgie's like, man, come on. Seriously. Oh no, Buzz Lightyear! He's coming! You better get in your fort! Oh, the fort's gone. I mean, never mind.
Daddy's coming! Where's the ghost?
I think Georgie's tired of playing this game. Okay, go! He's gone.
Where's the ghost?
He's gone.
Let's go get him.
You must have scared him away.
Let's go get him.
Go get him. Is he too scary? Oh, it's Georgie. It's not a ghost.
It's not the ghost.
Poor Georgie.
He's not the ghost.
You okay? I'll get him. Ah, it's Georgie.
He's not a ghost. He's not a ghost. He's not a ghost.
He wants to be a ghost?
Uh-huh.
I beg to differ. I don't think he does. But since when did we let that stop us around here?
Let's go on.
Look at Georgie just sitting there.
Let's go on, Daddy.